Hook it up an AC disconnect. And a self-top screw so we can hang the disconnect on the condenser. Taking my linesman needle nose, open up your disconnect, open up the knockouts on the bottom. Using my flathead to loosen up all the screws. Going from left to right, this one's going to be load, line, line, load. These two right here are going to be the grounds. I'll go ahead and do my load first. I'm gonna grab my whip. This one's liquid tight. I'm gonna put on the right knockout. Screw it on. Use my flathead to tighten it down. Cut my wire to the length. Just give it a little extra because you can always bend it. Strip. I'll go ahead and throw in my ground first. Bend it in place. Throw it in. Now this whip is controlling the condenser, so this is the load, what we're loading up. The load is on each end. The line is in the center. If you can't remember that, it's also on your cover. Explains right here, load, line, line, load. I'm gonna hang it up. There's a little hole in the back. I'm just gonna hang it up on the screw that I put in there, self-tap. I'm gonna hook it up to the condenser now. Stripping my wires, getting it ready. Feed it through the bottom. Lock it in place. Use my flathead, I'll tighten it up. Ground goes in using the flathead. Bend it so that it's easier to put in. Now I'm going to use my impact drill with a Phillips. And then we're going to loosen these up. Bend it in place. Keeping pressure on the screw so it doesn't fall out. So I'll bend it one way and then bend it the other way. So it slips right in. You can see that right there. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the cover, and I'm gonna put in the power going in. For this one, we're gonna use a 5/16 drill bit. This is coming from the home run, coming directly from the breakers, the main panel. So I'm gonna cut it to length, put on my waterproof whip, and then hook it up. First thing I'm gonna do, cut it up to length, enough slack to get to the condenser. Remove the connector. Pass through. Try to make it as straight as possible. When there's little bends in it, it'll get stuck right there. So what I'm doing is just straighten out the line. Just need to get past this cover so that water doesn't get through. Once you have it out here, then you can just pull it out. Push this one back and pull it out. Make sure you have enough length. Looks good. I'll go ahead and strip back the sheathing now. And then I'll put on my connector. Put on my connector. Twist it on, make sure it's sealed. Remove your lock screw or lock nut. Cut this to length. This is your power coming in, also known as line. This goes directly to the breaker inside the main panel. It doesn't share any circuit. Go ahead and put it in my ground, bend it into place, measure and cut. Some inspectors want to see it identified as hot. So on the neutral white, you just mark it black so that they can identify as hot. Put the cover back on and mount it on the condenser. I always put it on off position. You can see it's on and off. Then we're gonna use some zip ties and mount it to the fins. Zip ties, and then we're gonna level it. So that should be.